Hi, it's me, Caitlin. I'm a new mechanic. Well, I've been a mechanic for about a year now, and it's still been kind of tricky getting all the tools that I need, but Suzume actually sent me my first brand deal, ignore the bells if you can. But I'm proud that Suzume is my first ratcheting wrench flex headset. I mean, even today I use the 15mm on exhaust muffler bracket nuts, so I got those off. Yeah, I use these every day. Little Suzume, which means sparrow in Japanese. Cute little sparrow right here. A little Suzume actually told me that ratcheting wrenches make your life so much easier as a mechanic, and it's true, they do. I recommend Suzume to everyone. They're nice and affordable. Yeah, I couldn't ask for a better tool for a mechanic. And yeah, thank you, Suzume. And on top of all of that, they're just gorgeous. I mean, look at them shine. I just wanted to be completely upfront. They gave these to me as a gift, which I'm super thankful for. If you're a beginner mechanic, you know it can be kind of tricky, like deciding what tools to get and what tools are the best, but these definitely are, and they're affordable, so I recommend them to anybody looking to start an apprentice journey, or just anyone who wrenches for a living or wrenches for fun. I found some broken exhaust manifold bolts and holes in the catalyst, but it's not here for that. They're concerned about the gas cap code, so let's do a smoke test. I didn't get the chance to film this part, but the smoke leak was coming from the ESIM, so we're gonna replace that. Takeoff of the day. It's as big as my head. We've disassembled the drone and took the gimbal out, but since we are trying to get this production rolling, and we had our first paid client, we need the drone. there's like thousands of them. This is crazy. It's like this the whole way of the beach. I think I found a snake. It's definitely a snake. Yeah. Cool. Usually I just see crabs. It's blending in with the rocks, but do you see all the jellies? Like those are all jellies. It looks like they're just mixing together like a soup or something. But these airbags, man, I've done a lot of these airbag replacements, but this one is my least favorite. You gotta go back and forth. You gotta be careful or else you'll break the bolts and you'll have to drill them out. I mean, it's not a bad thing, it's fine. It's just warranty, so it doesn't pay a lot. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking I wish I brought a book that I could read. Check out my Miffy bag. I got this keychain from a small business, so yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm seeing this now. It's kind of giving me inspiration to draw something. But yeah, my new favorite thing is sitting on the rocks like a tequila or something. really wonder how long this has been here. I mean, it doesn't look like that long, but like, how did it get here, I guess is my real question. That's what I drew. I like my little planner though. Yeah, by the way, I did just hit 2 years of being a tech. The electrical stuff is my favorite part. I don't know, I like learning about like how airbags were made and ABS, that kind of stuff. But like during work, it's like I'm just fixing stuff and doing what people need to be done. And I don't really always get to learn stuff because I'm busy working. Sometimes I learn the hard way and I make a mistake, but I have to pay for it and it cuts out of my paycheck, so it's not. It would be cool to make some electronic projects. I have this PCB necklace LED thing that I've been wanting to make with 3 potentiometers controlling each different LED, the red, green, and blue. And the human eye can't really detect that, so it just makes it look like you're making any color you want, basically. That'll be a fun project if I ever do that. Taught myself how to make it on CAD. Anyways, enough of the yapping. I'm gonna continue sitting in my little spot. Hope you guys are having a good day.